Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot. If you want to read what John writes on a regular basis, you could go to incomeinvestors.com. You can find the link to the website in the description below. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs for short, took a beating in 2022 and much of 2023, as the Federal Reserve raised its key interest rates 11 times, from near zero to range of 5.25% to 5.5%. As we have noted before on incomeinvestors.com, higher interest makes it more expensive to borrow and service debt, cutting into profits. While higher interest rates undermined the growth of the broader REIT industry, things took a turn for the better at the start of November 2023, when Federal Reserve hinted that it was done raising interest rates for this cycle. In mid-December, REITs were further energized when the Federal Reserve not only held its interest rates pat and said it was looking to cut interest rates in 2024 as many as 3 times. Suffice to say, just the notion of lowering interest rates sent REIT stocks like Alexander's Inc. traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol ALX significantly higher. John?
You're correct. Alexander's Inc. leases, manages, develops, and redevelops properties in the greater New York City metropolitan area. Alexander's activities are conducted through its manager, Vornado Realty Trust, and they're traded on the New York Stock Exchange under symbol VNO, if you're interested. Its current real estate holdings consist of 5 properties, including 731 Lexington Avenue office and retail, the Rego Center complex in Rego Park, Queens. That includes Rego Park 1 and 2 retail properties, the Alexander apartment tower, and a retail property located in Flushing, New York. Now, the company's real estate empire can fluctuate in size. In May 2021, it sold its Paramus, New Jersey property to IKEA property for $75 million. And in May 2023, Alexander's completed the sale of its Rego Park 3 land parcel in Queens, New York for $71 million.
And how did it do in the third quarter of 2023?
In the third quarter, the company reported net income of $10.8 million or $2.10 per share. That's compared to $15.1 million or $2.95 per share in the same prior year period. The all-important funds from operations, or FFO, $18.6 million or $3.63 per diluted share. Now that's compared to $22.5 million or $4.40 per diluted share for the same quarter ended September 30th, 2022.
How did this impact its dividends?
Thanks to the company's reliable cash generation, Alexander's Inc. is able to pay a reliable high-yield dividend. In October, the company's board declared a regular dividend of $4.50 per share, or $18 on an annual basis, for an inflation-thumping yield of 8.24%. The company actually has a history of raising its dividend payout, having done so every year from 2014 to 2018, but it has held it at $4.50 per quarter since then. Now, as a side note, while Alexander has held its quarterly payout at $4.50 per share, its stock has not been as reliable. From the start of 2021 through October 31st, 2023, Alexander stock actually lost 15.2% of its value. Now, as you were noting earlier, things turned around on November 1st, 2023, though, when the Fed hinted its rate hikes were over for this cycle. And since November 1st, 2023, Alexander's stock has rallied roughly almost 20%. And over the last six months, it has increased more than 25%.
John, thank you so much for your insight. Alexander Inc. is light on news and management doesn't say much either, but it makes up for the silence with the strong stock, quarterly financial results, and reliable ultra-high yield dividend. With inflation coming down and interest rate cuts on the way, REITs like Alexander's Inc. could be one of the more compelling places for dividend hogs that are looking for solid capital gains. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special reports on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.